Lot of properties, lot of assets, but I can't afford to have my 24/7 caregivers.
I've planned for my retirement. I'm done. My retirement planning is enough. Is it really enough?
If I think of it, if I have to break it up, so retirement planning between 50 to 70 is different, but once you are in the 75 and above segment, then that is when let's say asset classes which you can't liquidate, you are, so there's a term which is used, which is property rich and cash poor, which is very commonly used for elders, is so true.
Very true.
Lot of properties, lot of assets, but I can't afford to have my 24/7 caregivers. I think that is what is really sad. People who come from very kind of, they have good resources, they are they have they have generational wealth basically, but that generational wealth doesn't translate into having the good good solutions or good quality of life in the last decade when I needed the most.
Yeah.
So the mindset firstly needs to change. Is that what am I saving for? Right? Earlier the mindset was very clear. I am saving for my children.
Yeah.
I am saving for a house. I am
Purpose
saving
tha.
for, बहुत clear था, right? But now the pressure is of course much more because you are saving for many other things that we don't even know what will happen. But liquidity, in my opinion, is very important.
So I think what best an example but life insurance when it comes to liquidity, and when you need money when you need the most, your pension plans, your whole life plans. I think that's something that people really need to start talking about and really need to start planning, and early on. Early on is the key.
Canara HSBC Life Insurance. Promises का partner.